drop the spring. I'll show you that here in a minute. But anyway, like I said, you trace all your wires, you put them in one by one. Wherever the old wire came out, you put the new one. I'm going to tuck those in here in a minute. But now, let me show you all the new coil pack wire. So, once you get it inside your boot, I use a little soap. So, the big end is going to go in like that. See how I got that? And then you're going to pull it over like so. Y'all see that? You're going to work it down just like that. And then you're going to flip it over. So just like that. Alright. Then the next one. Take the flathead, bend it over, and same thing. You're going to push that in like so. And that way, when you pull your boot over, and in, just like so. So now, when you go to clip it on your plug, boom, just like that. Now, when you go put these on, all these do, that other end right there, goes in right there, and all you do is turn. You spin it on there, and that's it. Put a little force as you spin. Just